If you want to earn money on the internet, you are in the right place. Because today I'm going to show you 3 applications so you can make extra income using only your cell phone. And don't worry, you won't need to record videos. You don't need to have experience. And you can use these apps anywhere in the world. And the first app is the one you are seeing on the screen. A very simple game. To start making money on this app, just click the play button. After downloading and installing the application, then you will select a pet. For example, select the rabbit here. Click submit, and after watching a short ad video, your pet will already be developing. And as it grows, you earn coins that turn into money in your account. After having accumulated coins, playing this simple game, just click on the X from the top of the screen so you can close the session and collect your winnings on the reward button. After collecting the winnings, we can go back to the application homepage. And in this application, it is still possible to win up to $25 per day in one area I'm going to show you still in this video. But before that, let me know in the comments, where are you watching this video from? I'd like to hear about this. In addition to playing this game, we can make money in this app, completing offers, tasks, and answering surveys. Here we can find the hottest offers, who are paying the biggest rewards. In this other option, the suppliers of offers. Right after, the research partners, in which we can find several searches, paying millions of points, and also other tasks like watching videos on YouTube to earn 2,000 points. To be able to get from this application, just click on the wallet icon. In case you won the $25, what you can gain from this app, every day, you can make the withdrawal. However, not necessary. Accumulate $25 to be able to get out of this application, because with only 35 cents on the dollar, it is now possible to make the withdrawal for different payment methods, including PayPal, Balance, Revolut, Pay, and other wallets, including if you want to earn an extra $2. You can use the that if you don't have an account and get 3 payments of 5, you get 1-2 bonus, or by making 3 additions, at least $5 on your STM account, registering via the link here in the description. You also get this $2 bonus. And if you'd like to hear about this promotion, leave the like on the video right now, because it helps YouTube recommend them to more people. Now, how can you win $25 a day in this app? For this, I will open the reference program. What can you invite your friends to? Inviting your friends, you can participate in this daily draw, $25. The only thing you need to do is to invite at least one friend that you are already participating in this draw. Now, the second app you can use to make money online is this app, the SimCash, that it works automatically. After downloading the application and do the suggestions I'm going to show you, you will stay sending SMS with your cell phone automatically. And in exchange, you will earn in euros for each SMS sent. After downloading the application and granting permissions, you need to set this app as the default app to send messages on your cell phone. After you have done this, you will already be able to do the investigations. For that, you click on that gear. And here you will start investigations. The first configuration is here at the top. Change status to asset. Then here in the name of yes, you can enter your carrier name. Then you click on these 3 dots and click on this first option, prices and destinations. Here you will add your country. Even tells me here in the comments. Here you are seeing that this app is available in all countries of the world, including the United States. After that, here you will select the price you will earn for each SMS. If you put a price too high, You will have less SMS to send per day. If you put a very low price, you will get more SMS. Ideal is you to put on average, so you can send a lot of SMS and also earn one considerable value for each SMS. Then you can mark this box to apply this configuration on all the chips you have. And then click Confirm. After adding country, you click Continue, and then just click on that button to cross meals. After that, your chip is already active, and you're about to start making money, automatically and passively, on this online money-making app. But it's not over yet, because I will show you the third app, so you can make extra income. What is this app that has many ways for you to win money in it, including games? For that, you will click here on your account icon. Then you click on Level Up. We'll collect rewards offline by clicking Receive. And here is one very simple game in which you go, adding pets and then matching them to level up. I will add one more and match this one to level up. The higher the level here, more offline rewards. I will produce. For this, it is necessary to have crystals, and to win these crystals, just play the game, because every pet of this will be producing offline crystals. Then just enter once a day to level up, because beyond these crystals, they also produce the token building, which is the token we can exchange by you and carry out the withdrawal through various payment methods. The token in question that you can withdraw is this one from the top, and in order to earn this token, we can also play other games. Clicking on this option to see more, you can find various games and apps where you download these games and apps. And you can win, for example, more than 800,000 buildings in this first game, lottery fishing and many other options here. In the apps option, you will find several other games here. Downloading these games and apps, you get the token building. In the X Sprite option, you have free pet. But you can buy 1X Sprite on the market. To be able to earn more in this app, you can invite your friends and win up to $150 per friend you invite, as they complete offers and tasks. You get bonuses too, being able to earn 35% of everything your friends earn in up to 3 levels. In the wallet, we can exchange token building for STT and withdraw for your wallet. For example, I will open the STT here, click Sell. Here I can select everything. Select the payment method, and I can draw STT through multiple networks, including the Binance Smart Chain. I can withdraw to PayPal, and in some countries, I can draw through other payment methods, such as Pix in Brazil or PagBank in Brazil too. Now tell me, which app did you enjoy meeting the most? And you don't have to leave here, because if you want to mine Bitcoin with your cell phone, just click on the screen. Now to know the best platform to mine Bitcoin on your cell phone, just click on the screen. Now that I'm waiting for you in this next video,